Hi guys, welcome to ARS Buddies. Today we're going to talk about the Lunar New Year and learn how to do the lion puppet. The Lunar New Year is commonly called as the Chinese New Year. But not only China celebrates the Chinese New Year. Countries like China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, and South Korea celebrate this grand New Year festival. And do you know why it's called the Lunar New Year? Because it's based on the cycles of the moon. Usually, the Lunar New Year falls between January 21st and February 20th. Do you know when this year Lunar New Year is going to come? February 12th. I got a printout of this lion's face and I'm going to color it. I'm done with my lion face. The Chinese calendar is 1 month behind our Gregorian calendar. Wait a minute. What's a Gregorian calendar? A Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar that we use all around the world. The Chinese calendar has a cycle of 12 years, and each year represents one zodiac animal. And 2021 is the year of ox. The 12 zodiac animals starts with a rat and ends with a pig. And do you know what comes after the pig? Rat. So it keeps repeating. I have red and yellow paper and I'm gonna cut 4 stripes. And I am done cutting this. I have 8 stripes and I'm going to take 1 red and 1 yellow and keep them 90 degrees to each other. Now I'm going to glue it. Now I'm gonna fold it. This is going to be the body of the lion. And I am going to staple this paper towel roll to the end of this body. End of this lion's body. How do we celebrate Chinese New Year? You know what? It's 15-day celebration. Ooh, that looks fun. The festival includes dragon dances, lion dances, gift exchanging, family and friends get together, and fireworks. The people wish each other good luck, wealth, and happiness. The festival starts with cleaning their houses, cleaning their workspace, and it ends with the Lantern Festival. I'm gonna work on the head. I have 4 pieces of crepe paper, and I'm gonna fold it and add it to that, like this part of the head. I'm gonna work on his beard. I'm done with the face. I'm gonna glue this to the tissue paper roll. I got 2 straws. I'm gonna keep one on front of the body and the other one on the back of the body. Yay! There we go. Uh-oh, something's missing. The tail. I got the tail ready. Let's have some lion dance. Gong Si Fa Thay. Happy New Year! Hope you learned something about the Lunar New Year. Thanks for watching. Bye!